For generations, Dunlop has defined precision, confidence, and control. This legacy is built on engineering excellence and trusted by drivers worldwide. That lineage continues with the next evolution in premium touring performance, engineered for modern driving demands. Introducing the Dunlop Blue Response All Season, a premium all-season touring tire designed to deliver long tread life, highway comfort, and confident year-round performance. Whether you're commuting or cruising long distances, the Blue Response AS delivers a smooth, quiet ride with enhanced handling and stability. Constructed with advanced silica compounds and a round profile design, Blue Response AS offers exceptional tread life, reduced rolling resistance, and a comfortable ride in dry, wet, and light snow conditions. Silica particles maximize fuel economy and maintain softness in the tread rubber, providing optimal traction on dry and wet surfaces, and the full depth sipes maintain all-season performance in light snow. The variable array tread pattern reduces noise for a quiet ride, while the round profile design provides uniform tire deflection to provide a smooth and comfortable driving experience. 3D waveform grooves also minimize pattern noise and maintain hydroplaning resistance as the tire wears, ensuring long-lasting wet performance. Wear indicators are thoughtfully positioned on both shoulders for easy visibility, drawing attention to vehicle alignment issues or the need for tire rotation. Full-depth siping allows the tire to maintain safe appearance and wet snow performance as the tire wears. With up to an 80,000-mile limited tread life warranty, this tire is built to last season after season. The Dunlop Blue Response is backed by the Dunlop Max Warranty, the most comprehensive coverage in the industry, including a 7-year limited manufacturer warranty, 90-day free trial, road hazard protection, and roadside assistance. Available in 80 sizes, the Blue Response offers coverage for a wide range of passenger cars, CUVs, and SUVs, fitting vehicles like the Acura RDX, Audi A5, BMW 5 Series, Cadillac XT5, Hyundai Sonata, and more. Dunlop Blue Response AS, designed to meet and exceed the touring tire needs for today's premium and luxury vehicles.